Neil Maclean from Wagga, Riverina. So what we've got here is a 1983 Mitsubishi FK102 been purposely built into a Kenworth Motorhome. I bought it off a bloke in Bunbury in Western Australia. He was the second owner. The original owner was an engineer by trade and he built the bus from ground up. So everything was brand new, customised, you name it, he did it. So that was built in 2010. It's a 6-cylinder turboed Mitsubishi actual motor. When he built it, it was a brand new motor out of a crate. Obviously been built up and everything with a 5-speed just manual box, and that's pretty well just a running gear. Spring front end, hasn't got any airbag or anything, but it rides as good as gold. And it actually steers and drives like you wouldn't believe. It's only done 81,000 from being built. It's fully customised inside. It's a complete Kenworth cab. So it was a brand new Kenworth cab when he built it, not a second-hand one, brand new cab. And then he's obviously done everything to it. So it's got a manufactured dash in it that he's done himself. It's all practical for what he's done, and it all meets its purpose. So toilet, shower separate, double bed, kitchen, lounge room, TV, 2 TVs, 2 heaters, 2 air conditioners, you name it, it's got it. Yeah, and we've just renovated it actually. When we got it, it was a bit of old school, so my wife Miranda, she's painted the walls and had them properly painted, and we've decked out the kitchen with new tin plate, and we've done new seats, new table, new floor, complete new floor through it, and yeah, we're pretty happy with it. So because of Western Australian Rego, it's not recognised in New South Wales by the RMS, so therefore the Western Australian Rego had to be cancelled, then I have to start again. So I had to have it re-engineered, which I did. It took 7 months. Then obviously the RMS yesterday getting an actual on full Rego. So she's on full Rego now. When it went for engineering, because of your centre of back axle back to the back of your vehicle, it's a certain length that tells them how far in length you're allowed to be. Turns out I was 40 mil over length. So I had to take the original exhaust surrounds off, and I had to get some new ones made, which brought me in, so I'm actually 10 mil under legal length. It was worth its weight to get it registered, but anyway, now it's registered, we're laughing. So generator and everything under the box there, slide out fridge, 2 big awnings, barbecue right at the back at the corner, gas bottles on the other side, battery packs in here, there's 12 batteries in it. So there's no 240 in it, so everything's 12 volt, nothing 240, can't plug nothing in. It's just 12 volt only, all LED and everything, and it's only the fridge freezer that's using the battery power. But there's 4 batteries there, 4 batteries on the other side, and 4 batteries down the back underneath. So I don't know what the battery bill will be if I have to replace them. So I'll probably end up putting some big deep cycles in it or something, but I'm going to get solar put on it. So it needs to have solar put on it. It's got an actual 240 battery charger, so if you're stranded anywhere, the generator starts, you can plug the charger in and it starts and obviously charges the batteries, or I can start the motorhome and charge on its own power. Happy days.